This is the first video in Git Zero to Hero series. So what is Git? It's a distributed version control system. We can call in short VCS, version control system. Why it is distributed? You can simply clone your repository so that every developer will have the same history of the remote repository. So that's why it's distributed. And then team collaboration. If you work in a team, imagine you're working as a DevOps engineer or developer, you will be writing some code, maybe Terraform, maybe something else. Then how you gonna share that code with others? So can you save them in a zip file and share it with them? So that's not feasible, right? So for this one we can use Git. So Git tracks history. If you, imagine you create a file index.html and then you change something in it and then you named it index.html1, and then later you add some modifications again and then you made it final, and then again you made some changes, you made it final. So this is not a feasible way because we don't remember what we changed earlier. So that's why we can use Git to track history, who changed what and what changed. Yeah, even if we can avoid blame games as well. If somebody changes it, you can if you check in the Git log, you can see who changed and what they changed it. And then easy rollback. If you made some mistakes, you can simply revert back to the previous version. So that's easy rollbacks. And we need for CI/CD, we need Git. So for all these reasons, so we have to use Git. I'm not going to dig into this theory part a lot. So once you dig in with the commands, you will get a better understanding of Git. So next, install Git. So if you go to, you can type Git download in Google, and then click on this one. So once you download it, just install it. Before that, if I go to a command prompt, if I run the command Git, Git is not recognized as an internal command. So once you install it, next, just keep them as is and just click on next. So just go with the default settings. So it's gonna install it. I would say Git is for everyone, not only for developers or DevOps. It could for system admins and for everyone. Even student can learn Git, because if you're writing something, maybe code, maybe book, it doesn't matter. So if you want to track it, what you changed earlier. So if you, I mean, it's like a time machine for our code or something. So once it installs, in the next video we're gonna see basic Git commands. In interview might ask you that what you're using for version control. You could say Git. Then they're going to dig into some basic commands, or they may give you some scenario based questions. So it's installed now. We're going to see everything soon. So if you type in, just open CMD. If you type Git version, you can see. If you type Git, at this time you don't see the command not found. It says it gives us a help page. So Git install now. In the next video, I'm gonna continue with Git commands. Thank you so much for watching.